Ryobi tools consistently bring forth a range of powerful tools tailored for various trades, infusing remarkable value into their products. Whenever a professional ventures into the market, the allure of Ryobi tools is irresistible. In this video, we'll showcase the 10 most impressive Ryobi power tools that demand your
attention. Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTECHTS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Rotary hammers are bulky enough, right? And you wouldn't love to want to carry them around your job site for mild projects. That's why the Ryobi compact brushless hammer comes into play. It has a 43% lighter weight and lets you use it with one hand easily. Thanks to the 1+ HP technology, this rotary hammer can deliver up to 6,200 BPM of speed to handle the toughest. The best thing worth mentioning, this compact tool is only 11.4 inches long, giving you superb access to all the tight and tough workspaces, even the overhead applications. Furthermore, when shuffling between a variety of jobs, it lets you get the desired power with two modes: the rotary hammer for high-strength jobs and the drill mode for regular ones. Oh, you'll also get an onboard LED work light that provides extra visibility for dim, dark situations. Tackling multiple cleaning projects with a single tool? Oh, it's a total blessing. That's why Ryobi designed their most powerful handheld-abled scrubbing tools to power through the toughest stains in seconds. It all happens with just a push of a button. This handy power scrubber lets you get the desired cleaning efficiency with its interchangeable brushes. When you're dealing with delicate projects, the soft bristle comes into play. And when it comes to handling some little heavy cleaning, the medium bristle stands beside you. Plus, the hard bristle allows you to complete all the heavy-duty cleaning. Oh, you'll get a 50-inch extendable telescope scrubber for long-reach applications. Both handheld and telescopic scrubbers have an IPX7 waterproof rating and run up to 2 hours continuously with a single charge without losing any power. If you're a professional trade person or a casual DIYer, your workbench will remain incomplete without a rotary tool. This Ryobi brushless rotary tool might have a compact size, but it offers the ultimate versatility of cutting, grinding, carving, and many more you can think of. This rotary tool comes with HP brushless technology that delivers longer runtime and 2 times more power to tackle the toughest jobs. It equips you with a quickly changeable collet and precision handpiece that allows 4 times faster accessory changes and increases your productivity when shifting between job and job. The variable speed trigger lets you get the needed rotation for a pinpoint result. Want to know the coolest part? You can control this rotary tool with an available foot pedal for the most stable operations. No wonder the durable aluminum construction will last long for years to come. Let's be honest, you just can't rely on an uncertified tool to detect studs for electrical installation. Because if you miss a single object while scanning, the project can be messy or hazardous. Meet Ryobi's wholly new stud detector to make finding wood and metal studs quick and easy. Just place the stud finder on the wall, then press and hold the power button, and the LED lights will flash and light up to indicate its detection of something. The coolest part hits here when the built-in stud marking assistant allows you to instantly mark the area with a single press of a button. You can operate it with one hand and get the easiest usable experience every time. Plus, it features the auto-depth skin technology that efficiently deals with wall thicknesses of up to 1.5 inches. Spread music across the job site and juice up your workman's energy. Get your hands on this Ryobi 1+ compact Bluetooth speaker. Don't go on its tiny look. It delivers rich sound and 4 times improved sound clarity, bringing the best way of listening to your favorite tracks wherever you go whenever you need. And, of course, you'll love the versatility this speaker offers you 2 ways of listening. The best part of this speaker is it has up to 175 feet of Bluetooth range, meaning you can roam around the workshop without the source device in your pocket. There's more. It runs around 32 hours after a single charge and allows you to charge up your devices 2 times faster. How often have you annoyed your neighbors with the pesky sounds of your gas-powered pressure washer? Say goodbye to those days. Here's the Ryobi electric pressure washer that delivers huge cleaning power without any gas fuss or fumes and without any noise. It features a high-performing brushless induction motor and provides up to 3,000 pounds per square inch pressure to blast away all the sticky debris and stubborn specks of dirt. It also features a unique water cooling technology that increases tool efficiency while working, using on driveways, patios, furniture, and other outdoor surfaces. In terms of versatility, this electric pressure washer comes with an included 5-in-1 quick change nozzle and lets you get the best possible result. However, it has a durable hand truck frame design that lasts long and lets you easily transport with large 12-inch flat-free tires. What's the most crucial part of cleaning? Applying disinfectants or deodorizers, maybe. So, Ryobi intends to simplify all the spraying tests with its ONE+ handheld electrostatic sprayer. This gun-like tool simply saves your time, money, and appliances. It lets you start in seconds and spins as few chemicals as possible while operating. Thanks to its 3-in-1 adjustable nozzle selector, you can shorten the total job time. With up to 1-liter removable tank and flat base, it allows you to measure the increments for hassle-free and time-saving filling from job to job. This electrostatic sprayer has an ergonomic size and light design that eliminates every kind of fatigue even after long use. Every garden maintainer or professional farmer will love this tool. Now they can save their valuable time, effort, and bucks with this Ryobi rear-time tiller. This is an absolutely cordless tiller that reduces all the usage of gas around your gardens. It has a transport mode when not in action. While this handheld tiller has a 10-inch tilling depth and 18-inch width that helps you cover a big area with less time. You don't have to retilling one line after a single pass. Worried about the toughest terrain? Not an issue. This tiller equips with 2 powerful brushless motors and counter-rotating tines that easily take on them. Plus, a combination of a 9-position depth stake and variable speed ensures utmost control over the demanding jobs. Not just that, the removable water ballast and bull bar handle maintain deeper and more precise tilling for the pros. Having a portable tire inflator will save you from a hefty roadside assistance fee. Keeping that in mind, we've kept this Ryobi's all-new USB high-pressure inflator kit. First and foremost, it comes in a surprisingly compact size that fits your lifestyle easily. This inflator is great for everything from inflating a bicycle tire to a basketball. Oh, you can use it for inflating vehicle tires too. Thanks to its precision pressure gauge, you'll get accurate measurement readings and exact filling. Most importantly, it can deliver up to 100 pounds per square inch of air pressure for every kind of inflatable you meet. While there's an included LED work light too. However, this Ryobi inflator comes with sturdy belts that allow convenient onboard storage and features a 6-inch hose that makes inflation pretty flexible. Let's end up today's list with the Ryobi Brush Hand Vacuum, a specialty-made tool that delivers substantial power to deal with stubborn debris and dirt, and of course, with cordless convenience. This hand vacuum has a mini motorized beater bar that works as a powered brush accessory and picks up all the debris, providing you with a deep cleanup on every surface. You can use this cordless vacuum for stairs, upholstery, car seats, and so much more. Thanks to the pivoting head, this vacuum always keeps close contact with the surfaces while letting you clean at different angles. Plus, it has built-in LED lights that offer increased visibility for low-light areas. So, that was the list of the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.